Hello guys, Igor here, doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Formcan, a tool that just arrived on AppSumo. It's a form tool to help you to build and manage online forms for your business without any coding. It's a form tool which is focused on helping you also to manage your client's form. I love the way of that one, the UI. I think you will like as well. So the tool helps you to quickly build dynamic web forms, safely collect user data, and connect your forms with thousands of apps. So the integrations here are placing a good spot, and it will differ from the others forms LTD that you have seen on AppSumo. I think that one's quite solid. I already have some of Forms LTDs, but I'm planning maybe to get that one. I think the UI is different, and you are pretty good with one code. If you get one code, you get the future form can update. The tool is multi-language, and you're gonna get all the features here. The difference from tier 1 and tier 2 is the number of email invitations per month. Of course, if you get the tier 2, you have much more value because you're gonna have much more storage and much more emails per month. But you can go well with tier 1 as well, but certainly the best deal here is the tier 2. I do recommend you, if you buy that deal, to try to go to tier 2. And now let's take a look at the tool, then you can see if it's the right choice for you. Here is the Formcan environment. Let's start taking a look at the account settings. You can see that we have the night mode and the light mode. Everybody loves the night mode, me too. You can see that the user interface is pretty solid. You will be able to set up your custom domain for all your forms. So you can add a subdomain here. Also, you can select a redirect URL. So each team has a subdomain. And also you can upload your favicon. You will be able to change your invitation settings, save templates for your emails, the emails that are going to send asking people to fill out the form. Also the notifications for your team members or email content, everything here will be customizable. So you can fully tackle the tool, change the email settings to your language, then you will have the tool completely in your own language. Create a form, just click on the middle, and you can also see the email templates. They have many templates, which is impressive. You will be able to preview them. For instance, the giving form, you can preview it here. You can create on light mode or dark mode. The user interface is pretty solid. You see a description here explaining when or why you need that kind of form. So full name, contact number, email, amount, you can choose a file, signature as well. The signature can be drawn. You can type your signature or you can upload your signature image. Let's see that online foundation donation here as well. Donation by phone, donation through PayPal, donation by fax, donation by email. Let's see that one as well. Camping checklist form. We're going to use this to organize an event. Just add your picture, box, and submit. Pretty simple. Let's create a new form from scratch. You can create folders to organize your forms as well. Let's create the form. So here is the builder. It's divided by steps. You can change the title with a click of a button. So form title, a new form, and add help text or not. I'm going to delete here. And which features do you have in the form? You have a text input. Just click on it and you're going to create one. So here on label, what's your name? And add a placeholder here, your name. You can take it in the middle or on the left. So here's a text field for the name. So you're going to ask a question and people will reply. You can edit as required, hidden, or disable, required or not. Just do it in a click of a button, okay? And then you can drag and drop as well. You have also the choice, your best LCD, which one is your best LCD, and you can select here Formcan, well done, creatable. You can edit it's as multiple choice. They can select one or more choice, or only a single choice, and divided by column as well. Also have the drop down menu. What's your favorite color? Red, blue, purple. You can change the placeholder to your language. For instance, when I add in here in another language, so you're gonna see that everything will be customizable in your language. Pretty simple. I like the user interface, so it will be like that. What's your favorite color? Red, blue, purple. Pretty simple. Have the file upload feature. So upload. So pretty simple. Choose a file or drag it here. Everything here customizable as you're seeing here. Even the uploading is customizable. You have also the rating. So rate our service. You can select the star, the circle, the heart. I like the face, and change the size. There's a description. This is my new form. So like that, you can add this. Just drag and drop. Here's the first one. You can see more widgets here. Drop down choice, text input, signature, file upload, rating, section. You can divide by sections. So just click on it. You're going to divide it by section. Section 2. You can embed anything here. You can add image. For instance, to be like that. You can add an image here. Just need to upload your image. I made this image on Super Machine. It's on AppSumo as well. I'm gonna use that image here. You can see how simple it is to create a new form. Slider and video. It's possible to add video and payment you can receive using. Not gonna use video on that form. So I have my form here. Perfect. You can also change the button. I'm creating a form with only one step. You can create multiple steps if you need as well. Here on settings, you can change the confirmation message per form, okay? So you don't need to change the language per form. You can see here, manage language, and you can add new language. Can you see it here? There I have many languages here. You can add a new language as well if you need, and select everything and customize everything per form. You also have logics. You can create logics for your form. So for instance, if the best LTD would be seldom, you can make it go to another step, to a hidden step. You can do that. So the form has logics. You can see the preview, clicking on preview. Here, if you need to add more steps, you just click on add page and you can create a multiple step form. I think it's cool because it has the text feature, and with that text feature, you can't add many texts if you need any to show up. I don't think you have a limited for the text. So you can create, for instance, questions and answers. Okay. Publish, you just click here and you publish the form. And you have two options. You can embed the script on your website, or you can use your public URL. Copy to clipboard. We can see our new form here. Of course, I just created on anyway. Everything is customizable, okay? It's pretty fast, as you can see. It reads pretty fast, and this is important, okay, to convert. I think this one is a keeper. Maybe buying two codes. This one is possibly a keeper. Look how it's beautiful. The black is really beautiful. So my new form, the image, the text, what's your name? You can select here. What's your favorite form? It's really resemble Paperform, that one. I can just, see Paperform while I'm using Formcan. Choose a file and rate. And then when you are ready, just click on submit button. Those one are required. Add anything here. You can see that I have uploaded here, and then submit your form. You're gonna see your form has been submitted, your reference codes, and you can also add to your submission. It's possible. Okay. Pretty cool. Establish a deal. Really good tag. I think it's a keeper. It's a keeper. People will like that. That's my Formcan review. I'm definitely buying this one. Okay, I don't say that in every video. That one I'm definitely buying. I see value here. I hope you like that review. I have added the best link with the best price for that tool, and you help me a lot when you click on the link. So please take a look at the deal to get to know more information about the tool. The link is on the description. Thank you so much. Bye bye.